because like yabona ukurecord ama-studio abantu ka ngifilile mina ipain yakhona ka ngicela i-project 1 month wayithola lokubhizi kawafaka i-project umuntu into akutshela ukuthi angikayimaster and mayizimastekile ke
masudoti futhi
ingazwakala uyizwa nayo le project le yayo
ehlangane
ka imali ka ngizikhiphile mina le ngikhipha like ungene game shop for me as upcoming
to this game click
for me as upcoming artist I feel like imali ezakho bengazigcina ngayenza sama ngobe ngingaba ne-studio kudala bona ukuthi futhi nakho noma inase studio kanje I don't know how to produce
mara everything happens esikhathi sakho yonke into
mara laba ba recordisa izintwana ema-studio bafethu nizibhekele izintwana ningazidlali rough
akubadlala ni-rough like yamempela wadlala kanjani rough
ubhatalisa umuntu uqeda ungamaster into great ka wena like cha phela sometimes ka wena umuntu nokumastela ingoma ka moyo perform irasa kanjani mfana la kaze ngiperformile ingoma ezimaster eziyaleka na uzithela ingoma le ayikho abantu abibarasila ezipikhinda yabirasa to ningayenzi lento le yabo because umntana yabikubhadalela imali 300 rand ke ukuthi ishayele ke inamba
so 300 rand number 1
abanye ba-charge most vele ba-charge kanjalo
number 1
bathi 300 mawune beat lakho 500 mawungena beat and le mali leyo kacava into angithi ziyithola ka intana lezi ka nazo ziyacela ka abazalini uyabona wena bese ka uyathatha inamba ka umaster grand ka lento leyo bafethu ni ayikho fake ka uyathola intana eziningi ka zikhabathekile ka because intana yabi mina e-studio nazo ne I wish ukuthi mara kwamanje hayi mina ama-session manje hayi amanje mina vele ama-session sashanja awami nokuthi ovele shafeli mangudinga
so like you have a studio fee
ding mina ngikubiza manje ngifuna ukuthi mangibona ukuthi shafeli uzongisiza nga something again
intwana ibuyile izofuna i-studio session
sure
ingawucaca
ngiyayitshela intwana ukuthi i-first uqale yenze kanje boy
so like kabukai like don't say it's straight mara do we charge intwana
don't charge I'm not charge ama-studio ka studio session
so uyakwazi ukuzimastela ingoma
ding mina ngiyamastelwa ka mina bela ngisiyi-producer ngi-vocalist mina ngine-studio mara
have you ever thought about being a producer
mara uzime ukushaya ama-bells
you should
kushaya ama-bells enkomo
I think sometimes you gotta feel like a full pioneer like ube yonke into like njengokabza like ukabza phela shaya ama-vocals